In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Figma and edit it. If you've ever found yourself needing to bring a PDF document into Figma to make edits or enhancements, you're in the right place. In just 5 minutes, I'll guide you through this simple process. First things first, let's head over to Figma, which is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool. If you're not familiar with Figma, it's a web-based application that allows designers to create UI and UX designs with ease. It's popular for its robust features and seamless collaboration capabilities. So go ahead and open up your favorite web browser and navigate to Figma's website. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on that button and enter your login credentials to access your Figma account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you've done that, logging in should be straightforward. After successfully logging into Figma, you'll be directed to the home page. This is your central hub in Figma where you can manage your design projects, access recent files, and collaborate with your team. Now we want to import our PDF, so let's look for the import option. Typically, you'll find this option either in the menu bar or as a button on the interface. Once you've located the import option, click on it. This action will bring up a dialog box with a few different choices. We're interested in bringing in a file from our computer, so in this case, select the option that says Import from Computer. Now a File Explorer or Finder window will pop up on your screen. Depending on whether you're on a Windows or Mac system, use this window to navigate through your files until you find the PDF you want to import into Figma. Select your PDF file and confirm your selection by clicking Open, or the equivalent button your system might display. Figma will now begin the process of importing your PDF. Depending on the size and complexity, it may take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see your PDF displayed within the Figma workspace. Here is where the magic happens. You can now start editing it. Figma allows you to manipulate text, images, and other design elements within your PDF, much like any other design project you might be working on. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a PDF into Figma and can now edit it to your heart's content. This process is both straightforward and efficient, perfect for anyone needing to make changes or enhancements to a PDF document within Figma. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.